Grandpa just got home. Hey, come back here. Come on. Yeah, what? Oh, we don't need a jacket. It's cool out. I mean, it feels good out here. Go run around. Go catch the leaves. Watch the leaves blow. Go get them. Go get the leaves. There's more over here. Go get them over there. Go catch them. Well, I can't lead him. Are you seeing him? Come back here where I can see you. Connor. 1. Thank you. Is it windy? Yeah. Come back here where I can see you. I can't even find him. He's going so fast. Where'd you go? Goodness gracious. Okay, done with that.